Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Suzuki Burgman 200 motor scooter. This is a 2-up automatic transmission, ABS brakes, only 1,184 miles on this showroom condition, metallic white. Beautiful condition. It's got the GV top case. I mean, come on, you're gonna get yourself a virtually brand new scooter. Save all that freight and setup, only $49.99. Make your scooter dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.